isn't my first rodeo, so why do I have to explain?
It's raining, but we're in Adelaide. We're gonna have a look round today. Probably go to the museum right now because it's very wet. Hopefully it'll clear up a bit later, and then we'll go to the Botanic Garden and then the Japanese garden and get a burger for lunch.
Another on the wheel, then to our next destination. Then a hole in my chest catches me unawares and reminds me just where I'm coming from. Take me home, I love it on the road. It's not far off and I miss you so. Warm beds, well it's my tired head, not before I kiss hold you again.
Really good. This is one of the tastiest burgers I've ever had in my life. Really sustainable meat as well, most sustainable meat patty on the planet. Because it's made with mostly kangaroo meat. Only downside is it's tiny.
Every moment lasts forever. Another day, another week. Doesn't mean that I'm ungrateful of where I want to be. When a hole in my chest catches me unawares and reminds me just where I'm coming from. Take me home, I love it on the road. It's not far off when I miss you so.
Pork dumplings from Dumpling King. They're gonna be so hot. Oh, they're really good. This is so good, really fruity. And I love those little tapioca balls at the bottom. Got like real fruit juice in it, it's so good. So that was the fruit tea with popping balls, jelly balls, and then this is the Oreo cheese milk. It's really good. It's so good. Really coffee sort of hints to it. So the Oreo one was so good, we've gone for the pudding milk. Cheese pudding milk with the brown sugar balls. So good. Really sweet. Deep. And like vanilla-y, creamy sort of. Oh, really good.
We've been down this road before. Every exit is a door, locked from the inside, and I'm dying to find my way out. No one will hear me shout.